What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys. Today, we're going to talk about the best way to manage running Uber and Lyft simultaneously while you're working. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is the best platform out there for drivers to utilize, hands down. They send you a tablet in the mail, and by the way, you can get yours for free by using the link in the description below. Once you get this tablet, they also send you a mount that mounts to the back of your headrest. Passengers can play games, check the local weather, local community events, a whole plethora of features. And the best part is, if they're using the tablet, you get paid. Yes, you make more money if they're using the tablet, and on top of it, they can even win cash prizes themselves. It is a true win-win. Play Octopus covers the cost of the data, and like I said, you can get your tablet for free by using the link in the description below. Check it out, guys. Let's dive in. So this is a really important topic to me because for my first year of rideshare driving, I did only Lyft. Now that was in the heyday where you really only needed to use one app to excel. Nowadays it's changed. Both platforms have cut rates a lot. There's a lot more drivers out there. It's definitely important that you use both apps at all times to just maximize the amount of rides that you're getting at all times. There will be dead periods of time, especially if you drive during the middle of the day. So if you're driving at bad hours, this is even more important that you're utilizing both apps. For me, this was a big game changer once I finally brought Uber on. In my experience, I've seen that I would say my ratio of rides are probably 80-20 from Uber to Lyft. I get way more Uber rides than Lyft. That might just be on my area, but that's generally how I think it works for most drivers too. So the problem that I would often run into is that when I'm using both apps, a few things can happen. For one, I can get a ping at both times. This is very, very rare. So usually what happens is I get an Uber request, I accept it, I switch to the Lyft ride really quick, go offline on the Lyft app, and then once I've completed that Uber ride, I then turn the Lyft app back on. Now, one problem can be is that if one app crashes right as you accept a ride, it can be hard to maybe turn it off, or maybe it's the one where you got the ride and now you're not sure if you should just leave the other one on or what to do. Generally, in most cases, what I'm doing there is I'm just refreshing the app that I got the ride on until it's active. This happens a lot too. If you're an active driver, you know you will often run into cases where the apps freeze up. But my personal preference and the biggest game changer for me was buying a tablet with split screen capabilities and a mount for it. I bought a magnetic phone mount and a split screen tablet, and this allowed me to have Uber and Lyft up at the same time. This, I promise you, is the way to go. And what I also liked doing was then having a secondary smartphone that I use just for music. Old junky Galaxy or iPhone is just fine, but that way I didn't even have to have my tablet connected to the Bluetooth or anything, so my music would go uninterrupted pretty much the whole time. So I would say the main thing is, guys, get that split screen tablet. That's the biggest game changer. Go that route. It's super functional to turn both on and off. The other thing that happens is a lot of times I would give an Uber ride and forget to turn Lyft back on, or vice versa, and then sometimes wonder why it's been a while since I've gotten a ride. But that's my advice for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Play Octopus, linked in the description below. Like I said, this is a game changer for those of you looking to maximize your earnings, and you can get your free tablet by using the link in the description below. So check that out. Stay safe out there more than anything, and stay tuned for more updates.